Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make zinc oxide sunscreen at home, full guide. Heat 1 cup carrier oil with 2 tablespoons beeswax until melted, remove from heat, stir in 20% non-nano zinc oxide gradually, add antioxidant and essential oils. Cool while whisking to emulsify, test on forearm, adjust thickness by adding more beeswax or oil, and store in a labeled airtight jar away from light daily. In this video, I will explain how to make zinc oxide sunscreen at home, full guide. Always patch test for irritation first, and mix on a clean surface using a mask and goggles when handling powders. Gently heat and cool to maintain ingredient integrity, record precise measurements and batch notes for future adjustments. And keep an unopened sample for comparison so you can notice any change in smell, texture, or color over time. In this video, I will explain how to make zinc oxide sunscreen at home, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I also use a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and prevent messes. Check the description for that link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make zinc oxide sunscreen at home, full guide. For different feels, tweak beeswax or oil ratios and test texture. Combine with skin-friendly plant oils and vitamin E for stability. Remember, natural formulas vary by batch, so retest on skin each time. Keep expectations realistic about SPF without lab verification, and always reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or heavy sweating to maintain protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.